Welcome to Quick Revision, where we post a past exam question every day to support you getting ready for your GCSE exams. How does it work? Well, it's really, really simple. You just pause on the question, give it a go, play for the solution, and if things haven't gone as well as you'd have liked and you need a full walkthrough, then you just carry on watching the video. If you like what we're trying to do here, please hit the like and subscribe button. Hi. Today's paper came from a calculator paper. It was 5 marks, 2 parts to it. So yeah, hit pause, have a go, press play when you're ready to see the solution. Okay, so we're looking at a bounds question. The first thing that we're going to need to do is find the upper and the lower bounds for both of the values that we've been given. And don't be drawn into just doing one. You know, they're talking about calculating the upper bound, so it's very tempting to focus just on that. Absolutely do both. Do everything you can to maximize your chances of marks. So the lower bound for the first one is 26.15 and the upper bound is 26.25. For A, we have got the lower bound is 4.25 and the upper bound as 4.35. So we're trying to calculate the upper bound for D, and we've been given a fraction, like there's a division. So to get the biggest possible result, we want to put the biggest possible number as our numerator and then divide by the smallest. So we're going to use the upper bound, 26.25, and square that, and divide it by 2 times the lower bound, 4.25. Pop that in your calculator and you get 81.0661. And on it goes. Check in to see how they want that rounded. It's to 6 significant figures. So we actually needed the 7, and we've got 81.0662. The next part of this question is giving us the lower bound for D as 78.6003, and we've got to write down, by considering our bounds, a suitable degree of accuracy. So from part A, we've got our upper bound of 81.0662, and for the lower bound, they've given us 78.6003. What we're going to do is we're going to start rounding so that we can see what would be a suitable degree of accuracy. So if we take this to the nearest whole number, the upper bound is 81 and the lower bound is 79. So there is still a difference between these two. If I round to the nearest 10, I have got both results coming out as 80. So 80 is the number that the bounds agree on, if that makes sense, when we're rounding to the nearest 10. So the reasoning is pretty much that, okay? The bounds agree when we're rounding to the nearest 10.